Hello and welcome to the next video of our Intuitech IFA 2016 special at the Z-Wave Allianz booth. Next to me is Peter. Hi Peter.
Hi, how are you doing?
Fine, you?
Very good so far, yeah, interesting show.
Yeah, definitely. Would you like to tell our viewers something about your products here at the booth?
Sure. So we have 4 different products here. We have Piper, which is a smart camera and a Z-Wave hub. So this product here has features like a siren, it has features measuring temperature and humidity. There is a camera with motion detection, but Piper also has a Z-Wave hub inside, and that means it can manage accessories such as a smart switch, water sensor, door window sensor. So this little camera device can become a complete home security solution for somebody, and it runs using a nice app on my phone. And here I have a picture of the office in the UK actually.
Okay.
So this is our office in the UK, and I can see what's happening in the office. I can arm and disarm Piper from here, and I can create rules. So I can say, for example, if my Piper detects motion, then these things should happen. And if my Piper hears a sound, then these things should happen. And I can connect my accessories as well. So I can say, if the door opens, take a video and turn on the switch to turn on the light. Or I could say, if the temperature increases, then turn on an air conditioning unit, because I can switch it on using this.
Spare some energy.
And I can do all of this through the app from here.
Okay.
I can manage 5 cameras on one app. I can have 4 different people using the same app, the same account. And this also does geosensing. So if I set it, I can, when I leave the house and walk away, the Piper will automatically arm itself.
Oh, that's interesting.
And when I come back to the house, the Piper will disarm itself. So this is Piper and its accessories, which are coming from a brand called Fox Project. We're also showing here a product called Roost. Roost is a smart battery. So Roost has a 9-volt battery with a Wi-Fi connection. So this is a Wi-Fi connection.
Battery.
So you install this in a smoke alarm, normal smoke alarm in the house, because many smoke alarms have this kind of battery as a backup. I install that in my house. So, and on here I have an app. So this is telling me, for example, in my house at home, my smoke alarm, it was certainly working 16 hours ago, it was okay. There's been no alarms so far. If there was an alarm at my house, I would get it now.
Okay, and maybe the status of the battery is
the status of the battery is accessible here. But the more important thing is that I can hear the alarm. Because if your smoke alarm goes off at home, can you hear it from here? I can hear it from here.
Yeah.
I hear it from here.
From the battery.
And then I can make a call and say I have a problem at my house, and I can get the fire people to go to my house, and I can save my house from here.
Interesting for old fire and smoke detectors.
Yes, so that's a very clever little solution. And then this is a smart light bulb. So this is a light bulb that has a smart module inside.
Okay.
I the module in, and the light bulb lights, because this is a battery and this is listening. So these communicate together. So if I have more than one battery, more than one bulb, they talk to each other over Bluetooth, and I install them in my house.
Okay.
And I use them as normal. So I use the switch on the wall, turn them on and off as normal. They remember. So as I use them, they are remembering. So when I then go away, I can arm the system and the lights will replay everything I have normally done and when I come back, I turn the system off, and the lights go back to being just normal lights.
I understand. So they play like
Like
someone
I
is
was
in
there.
the house.
Yes. But because they are listening, they can also, if the smoke alarm sounds, they hear that
And turn on.
and
blinking.
turn on, and they give you an exit path out of the house.
Okay, yeah, interesting.
So if you're in an aircraft or in a hotel and the smoke alarm goes off and the fire alarm goes off, you have emergency lighting. This provides emergency lighting at home.
Okay. Interesting idea.
Interesting idea. And the last thing is, because you can train it, if somebody comes to your house and pushes the doorbell, the lights can come on.
Okay.
Because somebody may be there. So smart bulbs, smart battery, and a complete smart home security solution.
Yeah.
That's what we're here to talk to people about.
Nice to hear about.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for the information, Peter,
No problem.
and have a nice show.
And thank you very much. Cheers.
Bye.